Atlanta. Airbnb seeing a surge in bookings as the economy begins to reopen. According to Airbnb CEO, the number of nights booked.
Yeah, we at it again. Getting ready to put the boat on the water. Waiting for Chris as usual. He got to do his morning ritual. He's got to get something to eat, you know. It's all good. No stress. Gonna put some gas in the truck, put some gas in the boat. And we gonna go after them slabs today. We ain't playing. Hey man, you think you got enough to eat?
Ain't nothing but a piece of sausage and grits.
Oh, ain't nothing but, huh?
That's what.
Okay, cool.
Put this on him now.
Hey, stop doing that.
That is don't try.
Look at that right there. Where is that coming in? Look, look. Got him.
Get one of them.
Got him.
That's them white. Gotta be a hybrid.
Nothing but one of them whites. Yep. I think that is the coolest thing ever. You can see them coming in and intercept them. Interception! Oh, shooter's roll.
Nice one.
Come back here.
Good job, net man.
Net man. Look at that. Oh, I would have lost him. Guaranteed. All right. Okay. You do tricks? Okay, okay. Man, you don't pick that fish up. You rolling?
Man, you got your fish.
No, I said, are you rolling?
No.
Hopefully we got that. You know.
You rolling, ain't
You know, once upon a time, we had a net man, but you know, I didn't say nothing, boss.
What you talking about?
Nothing, boss.
What the problem is?
No problem, boss.